Hey YouTube, it's been a while since our last video. It's approaching Halloween 2021. Sam, how old are you this year?
I'm 12 years old.
And what grade are you in?
I'm in 7th grade.
And what would you like to be for Halloween?
Well, I'm going to dress up as Mouse, but I'm going to have a cheese race car.
Okay, so Sam is gonna dress up as a mouse. She wants a race car shaped like a piece of cheese. We have here our assorted boxes and a can of yellow paint. We're going to spend the next few minutes and decide what we're going to do, and we will check back with you shortly. All right, guys, we are back like a couple weeks later because we've been so darn busy with other stuff. Anyway, this is what we have so far. The car is shaped like a big old slice of cheese. We got 4 wheels taped to the sides for now. We will probably attach them by nuts and bolts later. We have our steering wheel. All right. And then we have a couple of straps on top. And that is pretty much it. It's going to be pretty simple. We're going to do some painting and we will be right back. All right, we are back. And as you can see, besides the painting, we decided to make several enhancements. One of which was to double up on all the plates to make the tires look fatter. We also created an axle system so that the wheels will actually roll, kind of.
There you go.
In the front here, we have a steering wheel attached using a screw, nothing fancy. We added headlights using LED string lights. The battery pack is attached from the inside. And on the back, we added a rear spoiler and a license plate.
Samsters.
All right, Sam, are you ready to give this costume a try?
Yes.
All right. All right, so we have Sam with her costume on. Do you want to turn on your headlights?
Pachow.
Okay. How do you feel? Everything is comfortable?
Yes, very great.
Good. Can you do a 360 for me?
Oh, yeah. How's that?
Good. And can you drive towards me?
Get ready. Beep, beep.
Okay, back up.
Beep, 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 beep.
Cool. Are you ready for Halloween?
Yes, I am.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and have a happy Halloween.
Oh yeah, cheese car.